Hello students, today we are going to discuss the 7th lesson lenses from science section first. We are using these lenses for many purposes, spectacles, cameras. Again, in the front door of your house there is a lens embedded which we are using to view the person who is behind the door. Many fields are there where we are using the lenses. But within this lesson, we are going to discuss how lenses are formed, what is meant by lens, how lenses will work, and actually total importance and the information about the lenses we are going to discuss. Let's start the lesson with the first point. What is lens? That is the defined lens. What is meant by lens? Many questions will be there like this one. What is lens? In our textbook, they have discussed like this one. Lens is a transparent medium bounded by two surfaces. See here, I have taken this one as a glass slab. It is also bounded by four surfaces. But why only two surfaces? When incident ray is passing from one surface, that is incident entering from the first surface. So this is surface number first. And the second surface, with the help of refraction, the ray will come out from the second surface. And so these two surfaces are important for us, not the upside and downside. So this is also a transparent medium, that is the glass medium, bounded by two surfaces, but these surfaces are parallel to each other. Then when we focus only on this definition, this is also lens, because this material or this medium also having two surfaces. So what is lens? According to our textbook, lens is a transparent medium. This glass is a transparent medium bounded by two surfaces. So this is bounded by two surfaces, but this is not a lens, this is a glass slab. So some more words we should add to this definition, that out of these at least one surface should be spherical. That means what? See, this is the first surface. This surface is a plane surface. When you want to make it spherical, you have to give the shape to this lens or surface like this one. Then what to do? This part you have to rub. That means you have to remove this part. And after removing this part, see now, this is the first surface, this is the second surface. This second surface is a plane one, but this surface is spherical. So when it is spherical, that means puffed out, that means it is bulged outward. This kind of lens, or this is now converted into lens, but as it is puffed out, bulged outward, this is called as convex lens. Maybe this is the second part or second medium of glass slab we have taken. If you want to give the shape to this lens like this one, and you have rubbed it, you have removed all this part, see, again there is a formation of lens. Now, out of two surfaces by which lens rays are entering in and emerging out, here is also entering in and emerging out. Out of these two surfaces, one is spherical. Out of these two surfaces, one is spherical. This one is a outwardly bulged, it is inwardly bulged, or it is having the sphere inwardly. So there are two types of lenses. One is a convex lens, outwardly bulged, and inward curve is inward. So it is called as concave lens. So what is the definition again we want to construct? See, by combining both this information, we are going to focus on this. What is lens? Lens is a transparent medium bounded by two surfaces, out of which, that is out of these two surfaces, at least one. That means at least one. Can we give the other part also spherical? Yes, we can. See, this is the second part here. If you are going to remove this part, again, it is also convex lens, because this lens now, the second lens, from this part light is getting inward and here light will come emerge. So both the parts are spherical and both the parts are outwardly bulged. So this is called as double convex. First convex, second convex, so double convex lens. Can we give one more shape to this? See, if you are going to give the shape to this lens like this one, and you are going to remove all this part of the glass, see here, that side also, that means lights are entering in and emerging out. So both are inwardly curved. So this concave, this is also concave part. So this lens now has converted into double concave lens. So like this one, many kind of lenses are formed. So the next point is here, what are the types of lenses? According to nature of spherical part, how they are, plane, inward or outwardly bulged, there are 6 kind of lenses. See here, just we have discussed here like this one here. This is a lens. Both parts are spherical, that is both surfaces are spherical and both surfaces are outwardly bulged. And so such a kind of lens is called as convex lens, or generally it is called as convex lens, but actually it is double convex lens. See, the lens which has 2 spherical surfaces, surface number 1 and this one is the surface number 2. 2 surfaces which are popped up outward is called convex or double convex lens. See, how is lens? Middle part it is thick and towards the ends it is thin. So the double convex lens is thicker in middle and at the ends it is thin, or it is taper, it having the taper end. Now the third lens is here. See, this part of a lens is a plain one, but here we having spherical, from which light is getting entered and emerging out. So when the lens having one surface plane and one surface is outwardly bulged, it is called as convex. But because of the second surface is plane, it is called as plano-convex. When both the parts or both the surfaces are outwardly bulged, convex or double convex. First or second part or one side is plane and second side is outwardly bulged, that is spherical, that is called as plano-convex. Now see here, both parts are there. This is the first surface, this is the second surface. The first surface is convex surface, but the second surface is concave surface. So the first surface is convex, this is called as positive meniscus. Why it is positive? Because it having the focal length positive. That we will get this information within this lesson. See what is here? One side is outwardly bulged, that is convex, and second is concave, so it is called as positive meniscus. If we move towards the next point here, that is fourth part is concave lens. What is concave lens? See, this is the first surface and this is the second surface. The first surface is inward, or it is spherical inwardly. It is also inwardly spherical. So both the surfaces are concave. So it is called as concave, generally concave or double concave lens. So what should be the definition of this one? See, the lens with both surfaces spherical on inside, both surfaces spherical outside or outerly spherical. And so this is called as the lens with both surfaces spherical on inside is called as concave or double concave lens. As we have discussed the plano-convex, here is also plano-concave. The second one, that is the first from which light get entered, it's emerged out. This side is plane and only this one is a spherical on inside. So one is on spherical on inside and second is plane. So this is called as plano-concave lens. Second here, see, this one is a concave and this one is a convex. When first is concave, second is convex. Here what? First is convex, second is concave, opposite to this one. convex, first concave, second concave, second convex. So first is concave and second is convex. Such kind of lens is called as meniscus, but having the focal length negative, so it is negative meniscus lens. So like this one, there are 6 type of lenses for our study. First is convex or double convex, plano-convex, positive meniscus, concave or double concave, plano-concave, negative meniscus. How to identify? Both sides are concave, convex lens. Both sides are convex, that is outward visible. Then double concave, double convex are only convex. One is plane, one is convex, so it is called as plano-convex. First is convex, second is concave, so positive meniscus. When both are concave, double concave or only concave, one is plane, first is concave, second is plane, plano-concave. First is concave and second is convex, that is called as negative meniscus. So within this part we have discussed what is lens and what are its types. Lens is a transparent medium bounded by 2 surfaces, out of which at least one surface should be spherical. Generally lenses are of 2 types. One is a convex lens and second is a concave lens. But we have discussed 6 types of lenses: the convex, plano-convex, positive meniscus, concave, plano-concave, negative meniscus.